and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's kitting up time. So I'm going to kit up the smallest one of these pictures that I've got for comparison, and Megan's going to do this one. So she doesn't want me to cut up the inventory sheet and use the sticker maker. She prefers to have the labels. And I did get her to write them out just because it is always easier to read your own handwriting often than it is to read somebody else's. But she has given me a little note. So please organise in number order, then alphabet order. She's not fussy, is she? Okay, so is that an I or a 1? That's an I. So we've got 2. So I'm going to have to pop these stickers on first and get myself in the right order. 3, no number 4, we've got a number 5. So 2, 3, 5. Making sure my little tubs are the right way round because this is a new set. Then we've got 6, 7. She writes a 7's different to me. And then we've got A, B, C, D. This is where you sing the alphabet to yourself. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. At least there's not too many. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. U, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, or Z, depending on what country you're in. I say Z. Okay. So that's her stickers on the way she likes them, so we can move those out the way. I might stick the picture on the front for her. I like to know what it is that I'm working on. So I'm going to cut the picture out of the inventory sheet. And we did actually gain an extra pack of diamonds for this one. So we do have a +1 on 996, but I'm just going to put them all in anyway. The most we have is 823. We have 6 packets, and we're using the small containers, but that have 3 in a row, not 6 in a row. So there's 21 in the pot. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to pop a couple of little bits of double-sided tape on this to stick it on the front of the box. If it does leave a residue when it comes up, when it comes off, I now have glue gun. So all is well in the world. I can just use my glue gun. So she probably will have a preference to which side it goes. I'm going to pop it at the bottom. And then we can have the pretty colours of beads or diamonds going up. Okay, let me get my rubbish tub. So I have my newly found fold up scrapbooking bin that I'm loving, and then we have some diamonds. So which was the one I said we have the most of? This one, 823. We have 6 packets. So I'll see if we fit on this. So 826 is actually this one, which is the letter D. Let's see how many these small containers can take. I can't even remember how many you can fit in the 28. And these are quite full, so I'm going to do them one at a time, then cause myself a problem. So 1 down, 2, 3, with a bit of overspill. Borderline. 4 if we're going to fit 6. 4. I think we'll be alright for every other colour, but I'm not sure whether we will get all 6 in here. 5. It's going to be a push. But let's see if we can do it. Well, it's only one colour. Will it shut is the question. Oh, it's not wanting to let it grip further. There we go. We're shut. So 6 is a push. 5 would be a lot better for that one. But while it was the only one we had 6 of, it was worth trying to just get them to fit in. So now I think, to save my sanity, I'm going to get the number off the front and then look for the diamonds. Because we don't have too many colours, so we only have 14 colours for me to look through. And I'm not doing them in any form of DMC order, so I think this will be easier. Okay, why am I not seeing any 823 though? Because I put 823 in 826's pot. That was a nugget move. How did I manage that one? I've got 826 here. It's late. That's my excuse. It's late when I'm filming this. So we'll now squeeze all the 826 into the, well, what I thought was 826. And it's actually 823. You're probably all shouting at the screen as well, aren't you? Those that aren't too busy diamond painting to see what I did. Those that are too busy diamond painting, you just carry on. Nothing to see here. I really didn't, honestly, just tip them all into the wrong tub. Okay, try again. 826. This probably proves it's the right order to do it in. Look at the number on the label and find the packet. And 826 can go in 826. This is why I kit up in DMC order, people. Okay, I'm going to start from the top one now. So we've got 995, of which we've only got one packet anyway. 995. 797. We've got 3. She's asked me to cut the canvas different as well. You know, the cover paper on the canvas. So this will give you a different type of kitting up. Megan's going to do this one, hoping that it will get her back into diamond painting a little bit more. It's partly been the amount of time she's had has been the main reason she's not done it. But of course, when you've not done it for a while, sometimes, you know, you sort of forget how much you enjoy it. And at the moment she has 2 extremely large paintings on the go. So she's going to do a small one for a little bit more, you know, satisfaction in completion on a small painting. Not as overwhelming. Okay, 414 is a little bit of grey, a lot of blue and a little bit of grey. Oh, we've got static on these ones. We've got some trapped in the packaging as well, but they can later rest in the rubbish bin. I don't think they're fit for use anymore at all. They've been heat sealed in. Okay. And then we've got 3842. quick, easy one. Only one. 799 for the letter A. There is some gorgeous blues in this. Gorgeous. Have I left a diamond in that? Oh yeah, just one. Never know when we might need it. So I'll rescue it. I think I've just tipped one in there as well. The other bits can go behind me on the floor. Okay, 820. So this is the next one that we've got the most of. And when I say the most of, it's 4. So we know 6 is a squeeze. 5 is probably the maximum that I'd stick to normally on this type of container. The view was if 6 didn't quite fit in, there was plenty of containers left over. But this saves me labelling another one up. So I'll do it this way, 820. And then we've got 813. Another blue. That's a blue. In fact, this one has only got one purple. There was a few different shades of purple in the bigger one that I'm doing, but it does have a lot more colours as well. 5200, or in DMC numbers, B5200. Don't ask me why that one's got a B in front of it and none of the others do. I'm guessing it's something to do with it being like blank, which is white in French, in my understanding. I studied German at school, so I'm not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure that's the... It makes sense anyway. And then last but not least, we have 341. That is a gorgeous dusty blue. I've done the packets separately on them just because they seem quite full. And it's only a small kitting up, so it didn't take too long at all. Pretty little picture on the front of the box. And then what she wants for her canvas, for the top cover so that she can work on it, she actually wants it cutting into 4, but like a grid. So check that's cut through. Yeah, right through the middle of the square. Oh well. And then she wants it cutting this way. A bit like the advent calendar we've just done, but you know, 4 days worth. So that's the canvas prepped for her in 4 funky size squares. That is the diamonds done. And that's that ready to go. Simple, quick and easy. Nice little mini diamond painting to keep her busy. My little A6 pouch is ready to go back into circulation. I've got nothing that's over. All the diamonds are now in there. And yeah, it's ready to go. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.